So this is a real quick video on how to replace the rear lights on a BMW 1 Series. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out the whole of this panel so we have full access to all the bulbs. Bear in mind this is exactly the same for both sides, but the way you access them is slightly different, so I'll just show you that now. So on the right hand side of the boot, you'll access it all through this panel here by removing it. So let's put that off. And you can see it exposes all the wires and the panel in there. On the left hand side it'll be in here, so this is the multi-CD changer. Remove that and then you can see them all once again inside down there. So this is looking in at the right hand side set of lights. And all you need is a number 8 spanner and undo that nut, and then that nut all the way over the back there, you can just about see. And then also unplug this power cable. So with this, you just push that pin in and pull it out. I've already taken this one out, so it's easy peasy, but it did take quite a bit of pulling to get it out. That's it. Now these three are completely undone. Now once you've done that, you can simply remove the whole unit like so, pulling it directly out towards you. As you can see, there it is. All that we need to do, this top wing here, pull it like so, and then all the bulbs come out. And there we have it. We now have access to all the bulbs that we need. So putting it back in is exactly the same as what we did to get it out. So you're just going to want to line it up with the holes. And there we go. Now that it's pushed back in, those 3 bolts we took off, we're just going to put them back on and just reconnect the power cable, and then it should all work absolutely fine.